guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am doing a lace frontal on my sister. I am gluing it down. And first things first, I'm about to start doing these braids. So while I'm doing these braids, let me fill y'all in. I am not a professional, so please don't come up in my comments talking about me putting anything in my mouth. I can do that. It's just my little sister. It's not a big deal. It's not your head, so I don't want to hear it. Please don't come in my comments with that mess. I don't have time. Also, do not come in my comments talking about you don't like this or this wasn't right or this, that, and the third. It's my video. It's how I wanted to do it. So, who cares what your opinion is? You can keep that to yourself. Just watch the video and keep moving. If you didn't like it, then dislike the video or don't watch it anymore. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Got To Be glue and I'm going to gel her edges back so they are not in the way or in, the way when I go to cut and all of that. So, her edges don't get messed up. And I'm just going to brush them back with a toothbrush and then I'm going to put on her stocking cap. And it's a new color stocking cap. Okay, so I'm putting on the stocking cap now and I'm going to take some Got To Be freeze blast and I'm going to use that to stick the stocking cap down to her head so it doesn't move. And I'm doing this so I can do the method of the ball cap method. I just want to stick this basically to her head, and the Got To Be glue is the easiest way to do this. And I'm just going to stick this down to her head, blow dry it on a cool setting so I'm not burning her or nothing like that. And then I'm going to start cutting out the ears. I got this technique from Tay. I'm not sure if she started it or whatever, but that's who I saw do it and I liked it and it actually works. So that is what I'm doing now. And if you just watch, you can see how I'm doing it. And if you ever wanted to use it in your lace front installment, this is the perfect idea. It gets the tabs really, really flat. So I did it on both sides and I showed you guys both sides. Now I'm going to start cutting this and I'm going to try to outline her weird ass hairline. Yes, my sister has a weird ass hairline. So I'm just going to cut this as close as I can to the hairline without trying to actually, get up to the hairline, because I want to be just a little bit above the hairline so nothing happens to her actual hairline and edges and all of that, because girl, we need our edges, and she would never let me do her hair again if she knew that I fucked up her edges. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And as always, you want to make sure you lay that as flat as possible, so you might have to go in after you cut and actually reapply the freeze spray. And here I'm just putting on her wig just to make sure everything is lined up and is like neatly in order, so it ain't no extra cap hanging out or whatever that's not supposed to. Okay, here I'm just putting on some concealer just to blend everything in so it's seamless once I actually put her lace wig on. And I like to use concealer instead of foundation because the foundation kind of runny. Concealer is just a little bit thick. And then I'm going to go in and clean up her edges with some alcohol just to get all that foundation residue off. Also, I did put the concealer actually on the lace as well. Okay, here I'm just putting the wig back on so I can line everything up before I start gluing this wig down and get all the hairs and flyaways out of the way. Also, I will be pinning up her braids in the back, so don't be alarmed. They're not going to stay like that. I will be pinning them up at the end of this video. You will see that, so don't be in the comments saying, oh, her braids is showing. Watch the whole video first before you start commenting saying stupid shit, okay? So I'm just pinning the hair back now and just making sure that all the little flyaways and everything is out the way. And then I'm going to take the piece of the cardboard from the wig cap package, and I'm just going to use that to put the actual glue down on her hair. And I'm using the Ghost Bond glue on her hair. I did 2 layers of that, and then I just dried it on the cool setting for a little bit, and then I just stuck her wig down, and I was using the duck clip to just press it down because I didn't want to use my fingers because that make it turn white, and you don't want that. So I would say use like a comb or like a duck clip or something like that. But I'm just going to do this one side, and then I do the other side off camera.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Okay, so here I'm just taking a little eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put it around the perimeter of the lace just to give it a more seamless look or whatever. I didn't do any baby hairs because my sister does her baby hairs and stuff like that, and she's actually going to style it herself. I'm just going to brush it out at the end and give it a little part, and she's going to take it from there, but we didn't record that part, so I just wanted to record the actual process of me putting it on. And this is very beginner friendly. I haven't put too many wigs on anybody, like gluing them down necessarily, so I'm just learning and practicing as I go. I'm not a professional. I repeat, I am not a professional. I'm just showing you guys, like everything that I'm learning so far, and I plan on getting better, so it might be an updated version of this if I learn new techniques or actually get it to look a lot more seamless than what I have right now. I felt like I did a great job for what, for what it was worth. So like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just learning as I go. But I really appreciate you guys for watching and coming back, to see me grow in this process of making wigs and gluing down wigs, because gluing down lace front wigs is new to me. So I do appreciate y'all coming back to watch my videos, and for all the people that didn't have any negative things to say on my first video, I really appreciate it. But and here's the clip now where I'm actually done. I'm just sectioning it off for her, and she's going to style it herself. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I'm posting videos every week. Thanks for watching.